It's time to harvest my linden honey. This monofloral honey is made by my bees collecting nectar from my linden trees. This harvest is usually my biggest because I have about 50 of these linden trees and they produce millions of flowers. One of my largest linden trees is directly above my beehives. So to help me out with this big harvest, I've invited some of my friends. Today we're going into one of my Russian hives, and unlike my Canadian Saskatchewan bees, my Russian bees are a bit more defensive. So to be safe, we're all putting on our bee suits. Oh, and this hive for some reason likes to go after my ankles, so we just want to make sure we're covered head to toe.